Hello and welcome. My name is Doug Munhan, and I'm an application specialist at Designfusion. In this video, we'll look at how to create a compound robotic operation in Siemens Process Simulate. In this study, there's a robot which will machine two impellers. The impellers are on top of positioners which rotate them, and the robot sits on top of a rail and carriage system that controls its location. The first thing I do is create a new resource and add the rail and carriage to it. Then I create another resource which will contain the combined rail and carriage along with the robot. I relocate the robot to sit on top of the carriage, and in the kinematics editor, create links that will be used to create a joint between the carriage and the robot. I also attach the robot to the carriage and add the joint to the robot external axis. I then check that this joint is working as intended. Next, I create the curve that the robot will follow when machining the impeller. I use this curve to create continuous MFGs and indicate the seam start and direction. With these MFGs, I create a new continuous feature operation. Then, I project the MFGs onto the face of the impeller, which I wish to machine. Here's a look at the final simulation. Between each machining operation, the impeller is turned so that the robot path could be copied from the first blade to all the other blades. After the operation is finished on the first impeller, the robot travels to the second impeller and repeats the process. I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more about Process Simulate or other Tecnomatix solutions, you can contact us using the information shown here.